It is Christmas Eve.
Buon Natale!
We're going for is this place called Forno. I debated with the waiter that everywhere I go, tiramisu is always on the menu and it's never good because my mom makes the best tiramisu in the world. Hello, yes. Update, I tried the tiramisu. It's delicious. Is it as good as my mom makes it? Absolutely not. However, because I had the debate with the waiter about tiramisu in Italy, low-key kind of flirted with him. We got it.
Big key kind of flirted with him.
Big key, mom just admitted, big key kind of flirted with him. We got the tiramisu for free. So, ladies, use what you got. So I'm at the top of the Spanish Steps right now at the church because my mom and I left that department store that we spent literally the whole day in by accident, but we got a lot accomplished. We ate some good food and we did some Christmas shopping. Lunch, by the way, was delicious, at least what I got. I got this chestnut soup, this mushroom chickpea chestnut soup, and it was perfect. It was super cozy. It was also really satisfying and filling. When we left, the sun was setting, so we literally just now rushed to the Spanish Steps because it's one of the best places to watch the sunset. And now I'm waiting for my mom because she needs to go inside the church here on top of the Spanish Steps, and we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, recoup, do some more Christmas shopping, eat some dinner, see what else we get into. A day in Rome. In life, and one of the most amazing feelings is when you're so exhausted and you finish brushing your teeth and perfectly washing your face and putting on all your skincare and you just feel so ready for bed. Like, I can barely keep my eyes open. I'm so tired. We're gonna watch Little Women. We started Little Women last night, the movie. I'm already obsessed with it. It's so wonderful. Anyways, in bed now. It is very late. Dinner was amazing. Good night. All right, another beautiful day in Rome. Today is the day that my brothers get here. I'm walking with my mother now. I woke up with the worst migraine of my life. And it's because I didn't sleep at all last night because we stayed up till 1:30. So I probably didn't fall asleep till 2 because we finished Little Women, which was incredible in my opinion. But anyways, we've kind of just wasted the morning. and now we are walking. It's about 11 o'clock. We are going to Campo dei Fiori, which is not my favorite of places. It's a very famous place in Rome, but it's not my favorite of places because it's kind of gone a little bit downhill, in my opinion. But in Campo dei Fiori, because of like, there's always been a market there, but the vendors that are at Campo dei Fiori aren't the most like authentic vendors, which makes sense because we're in, do you agree or disagree?
No, you're right.
Okay, I'm right. She's agreeing. So anyways, they're not the most authentic of Roman vendors, Italian vendors, but they have like a cool market there. And in Campo,
We're not going there for the market.
We're not going there for the market though. Well, we might get some fruit.
I mean, if it happens, it happens. But what
We'll
we're
see.
going for,
What we're going for is this place called Forno, which is on the corner. I almost said angolo, which is corner in Italian. See, I'm doing this thing where I talk in English and then I say words in Italian.
and I'm stirring up the juice.
Anyways, everyone's, all right. So we're going to this place called Forno, which is, if you've ever been to Rome, oh, motorcycle, you know that one of the best things you could possibly eat here is pizza bianca. And Forno makes the most amazing pizza bianca in Rome. Technically, it's up for debate. There's also this place called Roscioli.
No,
She doesn't agree.
not my fave.
Not her fave. So anyways, pizza bianca is this basically like a, almost, you could kind of call it focaccia. Don't quote me on that. It's just basically this bread, flat pizza bread, drenched in olive oil. It's probably the best thing, one of the things that I look most forward to when I come to Rome. So we're gonna go get some pizza bianca because when we were little, when my brothers and I used to come here every single Christmas time when we were little, the first thing you have when you get from the airport, when you get home from the airport, is pizza bianca with prosciutto or mortadella or mozzarella or something. So to make my brothers happy, my lovely mother wants to go get them some pizza bianca.
Well, I want some too.
Well, she wants some too. And I'm gonna eat some too, pizza bianca, you know.
Do you want
Anyways,
a cafe?
do I want a cafe? We'll probably need to get a cafe too. There she is, with a line. Okay, so this one is the sandwich place. So you see they have like sandwiches ready to go. And that's what I was talking about, where you like stuff the pizza bianca with like prosciutto, mozzarella, like so many different stuffings go in that one. This one is the actual like just pizza. They don't have like sandwiches. Alright, we have just made it back to the Airbnb. On the walk home, I grabbed an oat milk cappuccino to go. The world is globalizing. It felt absolutely wrong to be walking through the streets of Rome with a to-go coffee, but I had an oat milk cappuccino because I'm American, and that's what I wanted. And it was delicious, and it woke me up. Do I still have massive bags under my eyes, or do I have dark circles? Yes. Did I sleep last night? No. We're gonna get through it though. Anyways, we're back. We're waiting for my brothers to arrive. I don't know where they are. They don't have Wi-Fi. That's something people don't talk about enough. When you go abroad and you're trying to meet up with people and people are getting in and traveling, not having Wi-Fi makes things a little bit stressful and difficult. My brothers have a pizza bianca sandwich with mozzarella and prosciutto. Mom and I got some pizza a taglio, which means pizza by the slice. It's just a super, it's more Roman, but it's all over Italy now. You can just go for lunch and get like pizza by the slice, and it's kind of like really thin, crispy crust. We got zucchini and potato pizza, delicious. Look at the zucchini and the mozzarella pole, oh my gosh. We added a little bit of arugula that we got at the market. Shoulder. We are stopping for a little drink, for a little pause.
Degustamine?
Io, grazie.
Grazie.
Ching ching. go, let's go. Hello, hi. You can hear my family all chit-chatting in the back. I'm in my bedroom at my grandma's, and well, it's soon to not be my bedroom. Anyways, it is Christmas Eve. It is the 24th. It is about noon. It was a little bit chaotic today trying to get out of the, sorry, I'm just checking to make sure I have my other necklace. Do you ever freak out and make sure you're like, have all your jewelry on, doesn't fall off or something? Anyways, we got chaotically out of our Airbnb today and took a taxi from the city center downtown, my brothers, my mom, and I, to be here with my family. So the Christmas festivities are about to begin. I'm waiting for my aunt to pick me up right now, my mom and I, and we're gonna go bake all afternoon before dinner tonight, before the Christmas games and food and everything begins. I didn't really talk yesterday at all because, you know, we just had a normal kind of day downtown, did some eating, went to a delicious restaurant, finally got a little bit something different than just pasta and pizza. I said goodbye to my last friend here, and that was really sad but fun. We had some tea together at this famous cafe, Cafe Greco on Via Candotti, which is like the famous designer street here in Rome. So that was like a special little experience and memory. So I got to say goodbye to her, which was sad and good and all the things. And just, I can remember getting here in September, going to aperitivo the first few times with my aunt before it became such a routine for me, and talking about Christmas with her. And now we're here. And if I talk about it more, I'm gonna get emotional. So we're not gonna get emotional, but I just can't believe like Christmas is here, and then it's all over.
54 c'è, 70 c'è, 16 c'è, 25 c'è, 58.
Ciao, it's Christmas Day. It is about 1 o'clock. So this morning we've just drank tea and coffee all morning, had some Christmas cookies. We all slept in super late. We stayed up till about 1:30 last night opening presents and talking. So we're getting ready to gear up for Christmas Day lunch. Last night was the Feast of the Fishes. So many seafood, all the seafood. You're actually not supposed to eat any meat on the 24th. And today we can eat whatever we want. We're gonna have some delicious fresh ravioli, some fresh meat. We're gonna have some delicious food. That's really the most important thing about Christmas in Italy is the food. And then we're gonna go to church tonight and all that stuff. It's like 5 o'clock on Christmas Day. They're about to leave for church. I feel like hell. It's not COVID. It's definitely food poisoning from last night. I just ate something last night. I don't know if it's just stress or something. Something during dinner last night. Everyone else loved it. It was delicious, but something during dinner did not agree with me. And I tried to put on the smile today, but yeah, right now I'm just in shambles with something that I ate last night. I won't go into detail, but yeah, this is really crappy, but just wanted to throw in a little update. Real life, real situations. Christmases can't be perfect. So anyways, just a little update. Wish I could go to church, but can't, because I just wouldn't make it.